Hi, this is a brief tutorial on how to use the EDU5188 ShareTracker spreadsheet to submit your assignments. As you know, you're going to be creating all of the assignments for this class using cloud-based or web-based tools. So you may decide to use a Google Drive folder to keep everything together, and then you'll create presentations and Google Documents during the course, and then you'll just link that material to the spreadsheet here. Or you may decide to put your materials on your website or on your blog or your wiki, and likewise, when you finish that work, you'll just take the URL and you'll insert it here. So I just wanted to show you how to do that. Particularly for those of you who are new to Google Documents, Google Spreadsheets, this environment, it's just a nice thing to have the how-to tips on where to put things and how to do it. So here we go. You can see that all the students' names in the course have been added now to the ShareTracker document. So you all have a row essentially on the spreadsheet. So this is your row, and this is where you're going to be putting your work all semester in the row affiliated with your name. So here's my name, Michelle Hegerman. You can see that I've added my email, my Twitter handle, the link to my website, and once I post my introduction on Brightspace, I'm going to put a little X there. Okay, so let's say that I've been working on my open network essay, and it's time for me to submit my work here to the ShareTracker. I decided to make that in this folder. I decided to do it inside of my EDU5188 work folder. And let's say that this assignment is my essay. So I'm just going to say Hegerman essay, and I'm going to just simply grab that that link here by clicking on share, copy link. Remember, essential to have those sharing settings set to anyone with a link can view, not just anyone at the University of Ottawa. Okay, so anyone with a link can view. I'm going to save it here. Okay, so that's now copied to my clipboard. And then I'm just going to use my Command V to paste that URL to that document into that cell. Okay, so I've just put it there. Alternatively, you could go to insert, link would also allow you to do that. Okay, so that's another way to do it. So for every single assignment that you do, you're going to just use that process. If I wanted to do it at my website, say I did my work on my blog, I'd go here to my blog. I would grab, let's say this is my work that I want to submit. I'm going to click here, Command C, just to grab that URL from there. And then I would go back here, and let's say this is my second assignment. I'm just going to insert that link in there. Okay, so hopefully that just shows you what the expectation is for submitting your work to the ShareTracker.